Connect your lobster to Feishu. A video will help you. Click to create an enterprise Zizia application. Change the background. Complete creation. Add robot capabilities to your AI. Permission configuration. Search message. Select all and confirm. This is the pass for AI to take over messages, open events and callbacks. Subscribe to message. Configure card feedback interaction. Every message is under your control. It is recommended to
Save your app ID and app secret,
which will be sent to OpenClaw later.
Power up.
Finally, create version 1.01 and save. Submit the publishing request. Your Feishu robot is officially online. Next, switch to the OpenClaw page. Select to connect to Feishu. Tell him your app ID and app secret. The connection is done.
iPollo pineapple lobster all in one.